let's learn how to make a traditional Hyderabadi dum biryani. I'm here with Chef Qamar. Let's do it. A lot of those beautiful spices have gone in. It smells incredible, very fragrant. Now we're just going to mix this all together. Our water's boiling for our rice, so now adding in our whole spices. This is a basic dough, it's atta. This is used to seal the dum biryani. I can smell it already. So the steam is coming out now. It means it's time to just move it across and slow cook it. Oh, it smells insane. The layers of flavors, it's aromatic, the meat is so tender and juicy. It really is a unique biryani and it's just so good.